Hello everyone, welcome back to ZF30 Forge. Today, I'll be breaking down how I recreated this Ghost of Tsushima-inspired environment in Unreal Engine 5. This project was inspired by the concept art of Mitch Morhauser, and I'll walk you through the workflow I used to bring this scene to life. So let's get started. Like any environment project, I started with the rough blockout to establish the layout, proportions, and overall compositions. Once I was happy with the foundation, I gradually refined it into the final scene you are seeing now. To recreate this environment efficiently, I built most of the scene using modular workflow. Instead of creating every wall, beam, and pillar as a unique assets, I designed reusable modular pieces that could be assembled throughout the scene. This approach helped me reduce the production time while keeping everything optimized, which is why modular workflows are widely used across the modern AAA game development. Most of these assets use trim sheets and seamless texture instead of unique textures. Here's the trim sheet I created and some of the assets where it was applied throughout the scene. Only a few hero props were given the unique textures to add extra detail where it mattered the most. For the central bonfire, I used Unreal Engine built-in P-Fire particles effect as a starting point and adjusted it to better match the atmosphere I wanted. Since the bonfire is main focal point of this scene, it helps me bring warmth, movement, and life to overall composition. Once all the modular assets were finished, assembling the scene became much faster. Reusing the same assets throughout the environment allowed me to build everything efficiently while maintaining a consistent visual style. To add more natural variations around the bonfire, I used a few assets from Fab, including ash, charcoal, and rocks. These small details helped me make the scene more grounded and lived in. For the candle setup, I created a simple blueprint that combines the candle holder, candle meshes, and the point light into a single reusable asset. This allowed me to place candle setups much faster, keeping the lighting consistent throughout the environment. And that's how I created the Ghost of Tsushima-inspired environment in Unreal Engine 5. I hope you enjoyed this breakdown. If you did, consider leaving a like, subscribe for more AAA environment, Unreal Engine 5 workflows, and game-ready assets breakdown. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.